A mother's prayer. A mother's prayer. There is something special about a mother's prayer. When a mother prays for her children or child, there is always a special feeling when you know that you can put your children before God. And I encourage every parent to do the same. Pray for your children, no matter how far they have been to the point of no return. Always put your children before the Lord. There are times when I call my mother and I can say, Mother, the prayer you pray has been answered. And as the tears keep rolling down my face, I said, Mama, God has answered your prayer. It's always a good feeling. I don't know about anybody else, but I know about me. God is able to do for us more than we can even ask or imagine. We just have to read His word and trust in Him. Only trust Him. Take Him at His word. Burdens are lifted at Calvary. And sometimes we lay our burden down and we seem to take it up back on our head. Sometimes we ask the question, does Jesus cares? Oh yes, He cares. His heart is touched with our grief. We need to connect ourselves to the source. And when you get connected to the source, you're not going to lose power if you draw from the source. Sometimes when we can't find the words to pray, we have to be consistent in prayer. Prayer is move mountains. Prayer moves stumbling block out of our lives. Problem that seems unsolvable. Through prayer and supplication and agonizing with God, He will come true for us. There are times when I cry out to God and I have a lot of questions. What? Why? When? How? And when I see the end result, sometimes I'm a little bit shameful, I should say. But never mind. I've learned to, through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus, and I've learned to trust in God. Nobody could have done it. I love that song. Nobody could have done it. No one could have cared half as much. He saw it. He see that it was worth it, that He gave His only Son. He gave that I might live. He gave that I might be set free, exchanging His life for mine. What a wonderful thing He has done. Some folks see my faults. A lot of people see your faults, but God see your accomplishments. Sometimes no one wants to congratulate you. No one want to say, hey, you've done a good job. Congratulations. But God always see your finish. We are not to rely on the applause of men. Because when we rely on the applause of men, we'll get so disappointed and so discouraged. So we have to rely on the applause of ourselves. A lot of things I've done in life that I didn't have money, and when I see that God brought me to it and bring me through it, I have a mouthful of praise to give Him. That He has been awesome. He has been better than good. He has been excellent in all the earth. I have been blessed. I am blessed. Good measure, shaken together, running over.